Okay, I just had to duck out and get my pencil. People ask me, how do I get the height for my niche and my size? I suss out the height of my finished floor, which is that, and I come up 1200 because that's multiples of my tile. My tile is 6 by 3. So 4 3s are 12. Then you come down a little, right? That'll be that there is my finished height, but just in case I'm leaving a little. And then I want to have a 300 opening, which is a full tile, but I go a little bit higher to be safe. So I'm going up there 320, which is there. Now from width, I don't actually know my width yet. I'm going to go down to the tile shop and pick up a pre-made niche, because behind here is a brick wall, but I'll see, because they don't really make them big enough. If I can somehow fit my back to the framing, I'm laughing. So I'll give it a go, and then I don't have to buy one, which is cool. Okay, so we go level across there. That's my bottom of my niche. The top of my niche is here, like that. I know there's a stud there. So it's out from the wall that much. That's going to be my screen there. Oh, well, that's my, so I will come in the width of my level again, which is there. So that's plumb. The screen's going up there. So I've got equal distance either side. That's gonna look lovely. I always try to go for as big a niche as I can. And that's it. If I can now cut that out and see what's behind it, but figure out a way that I can line it, I'll be laughing. Okay, I'll see you soon. I'll cut that actually while I'm here. Still use your sponge and water. Okay, I haven't cut through any wires because the lights are still on, so that's cool. Alright, well we've got a bar there, so I just need to make it a little bit smaller. But that's cool. No biggie. I'll bring that down to here. I'm lucky that I've got that's ply and it's used as a brace for the building. So that's cool. I'll line that. I just got to bring it over and miss that. But that's alright. Cool, okay, good one. I like it a lot. And there you have it. DIYs. There you have it. I'm wrapped. That's all worked out. So I'll get my skill saw, run through that. So we'll just cut through the stud. DIYs. The skill saw's not quite big enough, but it's enough, and then I finish it off with my grinder. Try a bit more. Oh, that's the ticket. Sometimes I do it with a handsaw, but it's easier with my grinder. Oh, Charlie's wondering what's going on. Charlie the doggy.